In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 10 and 11 stuck in airplane mode. If your Windows 10 or 11 is stuck in airplane mode, here are some steps you can try to resolve the issue. The first thing that you can do is to restart your computer. Go ahead and head over into the Windows menu tab and click on this power button and click on restart. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches. The second thing that you can do is to check the radio management service. So to be able to do that, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and press Win plus R on your keyboard. So once you do that, this will pop up. Type services.msc and hit enter. So drag this on the middle of your screen and type in services.msc. Now this will pop up on your screen. Locate the radio management service, right click and select properties. Set the startup type to manual and stop the service and then restart it. Now if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and use the command prompt. Open command prompt as an administrator. So use this. Open command prompt, right click and click on Run as Administrator. Run the following commands on the command prompt and restart your computer afterwards. Now if that doesn't work as well, you can go ahead and open your device manager, expand network adapters, right click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. And that's basically how you can fix Windows 10 and 11 stuck in airplane mode. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.